So, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to another episode of A Day in My Life. I'm cooking good videos, as you can see, bro. I'm cooking good videos, you understand? But, anyways, it's been a year. Me and Frank, we cooked a track together. I want to show you a clip of myself and Frank cooking a track back in the days. Let me show you the clip, bro. Watch this.
Sex talks when she vibe with me. I was on the first time when she calling me. She said that she wanna ride with me. She said that she would die for me, yeah.
Sex in the kitchen, ordinary mission. Make her be submissive, begging for some action. Spicing up the foreplay cause all we do is mate. Having quickies everywhere even though it's late.
Split that booty like yoga.
So, bruh, I'm thinking about it like, bro, it's been a year. Time flies. But, anyways, I'm still making beats even today. It's been 2025, but this is 2026, and I'm still making and I'm growing and I'm coming with the sauce. You understand? Those who know me, my day ones, they know this nigga has been doing it. He's still doing it, and he's still, bro, trap house. But anyways, I'm excited for this video because I'm gonna show you this other crazy fast tempo trap beat which I made in FL Studio Mobile. Yeah, this beat is crazy, bro. Trust me, it's crazy. Let me show you the video and the beat, and I hope you like it, bro. So it's like I was making it, I really want to share how I make these beats from scratch. The thing is that it's all about timing. It's all about time. Yeah, timing. It's all about, do I have time to edit as quick as possible and all that. But if I can share the video which I make from scratch, there's no problem. I can share a 1 hour video, but I feel like even 10 minutes video is fine as long as I present it in a favorable way. I don't know, but it is what it is, man. But let me show you this video, and I hope you enjoy and subscribe, comment, like, and share all my videos. Thanks for watching. Anyways, FS Studio, keep growing. Yo, get the drum kit, bro. If you want to make good trap beats, get the drum kit. You understand? Get the drum kits. The link is on my description. Every trap producer I know started by buying drum kits from other music producers. So what are you waiting for? Get the drum kits, make the trap beats. Here we make trap and hip hop. So everything is available on my description. You know what I'm saying, my broski. So to make good beats like this, let me play this beat for you, and then you will go and get the drum kit and make this type of beats for yourself. You understand? Shout out. In order to make a good beat, you need the right sound, the right drum kits. So I got good drum kits for this, bro. The only thing you have to do is to click the link on my description, get the good. So it's been a year, man. Me and Frank, we have this collaboration between us, It's been a year, man. I just got this reminder from my TikTok reminding me that I once worked with Franklin Souls. You know, we once recorded this other track. It's a vibe, bro. It's a vibe. Me and Frank, we once recorded this other track together, and it's been a year, bro. Imagine it's been a year, man. 1 year. But anyways, in today's video, wait. Okay, let me show you the video. Let me show you the track which I made with Franklin Soul. Uh, uh, Back in the days, 2025. And overall, I'm going to show you a beat which I made in FL Studio. So it's a trap beat, and yeah, man. Shout out to Franklin Soul, though. Shout out to Franklin Soul. He keep it always, man. Me and Frank, when we combine, it's a good vibe. It's a good time, But I, I'm happy with with my production. It shows that timeless music is timeless, man. Music is timeless.
Step by step, moving back what was left. The feeling getting hazy when I'm with you. Such a pretty sad picture. Step by step, moving back what was left. Shattered like broken mirror when I'm with you. By step, moving back what was left. The feeling getting hazy when I'm with you. Such a pretty sad picture. step by step, moving back what was left. Shattered like broken mirror when I'm with her.
Ordinary mission, make a be submissive, begging for some action. Spicing up the public cause all we do is play. Having critics everywhere, even though we play.
Split that booty like you can. I just wanna see you come closer, closer. Nobody come closer. I should be like, yeah, walk down, walk down. Yeah, 24 minutes. She gon' give it all night long like she don't need it. I'ma link it to the toes when I'm done with it. She gon' split you wide open when I'm grinding it. Sex talks, but she